Okay guys, so I'm in an '02 Pontiac Grand Am, and a lot of these cars are the same, GM cars, and I think even my Ram truck's the same kind of deal. The OBD2 port has no power, and this last pin right there is the battery power, and this car is the fuses are. Yeah, take your glove box out. You would think the fuses would be right here, but no, not today. They're right there. So you gotta pull this little cubby hole out too. So, right there, see that guy? Now, I'm trying to do this. Alright, so it's supposed to light up. It was just lighting up. Sometimes this light works and sometimes it doesn't. Let's see. Not there either. Okay. Well, now it's just gonna make me look stupid. So that's awesome. Oh, there's light, and there's light. Okay, lit up there. I want light there. That fuse is bad. So we got light there. So these they run that power cord onto the cigarette lighter. It's easy, not having another circuit, I guess. And we're gonna check the fuse. And it's burnt right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, that guy is definitely burnt. So I'm gonna run, grab another fuse, put it in there, and then I'm gonna check my power. So right now, there it is. That's the fuse. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Let's see. Let's see how good we are. See, this test light's kind of shitty. So it's not one to play nice at all. Yeah, it works. Bang on it. There we go. We got light through now. Light. Alright. So, I'm going to take our test light and take this with us. Because we always put our tools on top of the customer's cars. We've lost too many tools that way. Anyone knows that shit. We'll just take a little walk. Now, if my calculations are correct, that should work. So let me see. Now you gotta have this side hooked up there. So we'll open it up. Alright, and then we'll check power. Dead. What the fuck? None of them. Alright. So, let's see. Oh, my calculations are wrong, guys. So, nope, it lit up. I think my thing was just not grounded right, or test lights fucked up. So yeah, you see the light there. So I'll check my code and be on my way now, huh? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More simple fixes. Thank you.